if you're do-it-yourself type of guy, you're gonna love this. I got these cable strippers from Aliexpress for around €8 shipped. They are a copy of one famous brand for the fragment of the price. That brand cost around €70, which is insane price. So the features are they can strip from 0.03 to 10 millimeters square. You have depth adjustment, and you have cable cutter down there, which is also quite nice to have. Build quality is great. They're all plastic, which is a plus, because you want cable strippers to be made of plastic, because if it happens the wire is live and you're stripping the isolation, you can die. Works perfectly. Let's go full depth. And now it is quite important that you don't touch this outer isolation when you want to strip the isolation of inner wire. So let's try to do that and see how it works. So something like this. And it works perfectly. Yeah, it works great. It is around €8 shipped. I will put a link down below in the description box. Subscribe. See ya.